Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 666. Number 666 is a combination of the energies associated with the number 6. These include honesty, justice, integrity, charity, faith, love, humanity, service, balance and peace, domesticity, responsibility, care, the teacher, convention, the provider, protection, idealism, selflessness, charity, faithfulness, the nurturer, truth, order, economy, emotional depth, curiosity, a deep love of home and family, humanitarianism, service, unselfishness, balance and peace, self-sacrifice. The number 6 also stands for gratitude, responsibility, and service, all of which must be earned through love and service to others. Angel number 666 means that you can use your imagination and intelligence together to make good things happen. When you keep seeing the number 6, your angels are telling you to balance your thoughts, worries, and concerns about money and material things with a focus on and faith in the spiritual. Positive vibes and a clear mind will lead to positive results. Angel number 666 is a sign that you should trust that the universe and your angels will help you get what you want in your home, family, social, and personal life. If you keep your thoughts and feelings on achieving your goals, your angels will help you get what you want. Angel number 666 tells us that it's time to focus on our spirituality to balance and heal any problems in our lives. Tell the angels about any worries you have about having enough money or not having enough. They are paying attention and want to help you feel rich and successful. Be open to receiving help, love, and support from both humans and angels, because it is there for the taking. You have to be willing to accept help in order to get it. Angel number 666 could mean that your thoughts are out of whack right now, and that you should look at all parts of your life to make sure everything is as you think it should be. Look at aspects of service and helping others, such as volunteering your time, giving money to charity, doing random acts of kindness on purpose, or helping people in some way. The angels and the universe will give you what you deserve, and all of your needs will be met. Angel number 666 means that your thoughts are out of balance, and you're too focused on the material things in your life. The energies of abundance and prosperity are being deflected and resisted by your worry and anxiety, which are getting in the way of your balance, spirit, harmony, and openness. Angel number 666 asks you to balance your thoughts between the spiritual and the material, and to have faith and trust that your needs will always be met. The angels want you to focus on spirit and service, and they want you to know that your physical and emotional needs will be taken care of automatically as a result. Angel number 666 means that you may be paying more attention to the world of things and money than to your own spirituality and family life. Your angels want you to raise your vibration and keep a positive attitude and mindset about everything in your life, so that everything goes according to divine plan. Believe that things will get better for you. Angel number 666 tells you to focus on your inner spirituality, divine life purpose, and soul mission rather than on earthly, material concerns. Give your fears of loss or not having enough to the angels so they can heal and change them, and be open to receiving help from your angels, spirit guides, and other people in your life. You only need to ask. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.